Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. So welcome to our channel Preschool Fun Learn. As you all know that we have done one video of phonic sound from letter A to I. अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है. प्लीज गो एंड वॉच दैट वीडियो फ्रॉम लेटर ए टू आई. एज यू ऑल नो हमने उस वीडियो में एक्टिविटी की थी स्टोरी टेलिंग बाय विच child develop the listening skills, and we have also done the flag hosting activity which enhances the hand-eye coordination of the child and help in the development of fine motor skills of a child. So वैसे ही हम बहुत सारी एक्टिविटी इस वीडियो में भी करने वाले हैं. So let's start without wasting any time. Let's start the video. वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो नीचे दिए हुए रेड बटन को जरूर प्रेस करिए, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन, ताकि आपको मेरे न्यू वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिलते रहें, क्रिएटिव आइडियाज मिलते रहें. सो प्लीज गाइस सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. सो द स्टोरी ऑफ लेटर जे इज जॉनी लव्स जेली. हिज मदर मेड jellies for him. As Johnny carries them to table, jelly wibble and wobble, and he pretends like jelly and says j j j j j j j j j j. So the letter J says j j j. Sound of J is j j j. Activity time. Now children, what is this? Yes, this is J for jug, and the sound of J is j j j j j. And what is this? Every child loves to drink this. This is fruit juice. Yes. So J for juice and J for jug. The story of letter K is Karan and Kitty are two friends. Karan wants to fly kite and Kitty wants to play ball. So Kitty kicks the ball as hard as she can and sounds like k, k, k. Right children? Hard sound of K is k. Vocabulary time. So what is this children? This is a kite. K for kite. We're going to host it over here. Then what is this? This is K for key. We're going to host it over here. So two new words starting with K letter are key and kite. The story of letter L is Lisa is looking lovely in her lavender dress. She likes to lick lollipop. So her mother gives her a lollipop and she starts licking like l. So the sound of letter L is l. New words starting with letter L. What is this children? This is a lamp which we use in night. Then what is this? This is a leaf of a plant. So two new words of letter L are leaf and lamp. The story of letter M is Maddie loves to eat muffins. His mother gave him some muffins and he ate them all, and afterwards says mmm, mmm. So the sound of letter M is mmm, mmm. Vocabulary time. Yes children, whose picture is this? Yes, M for monkey. Then what is this? Yes, this is national fruit of India. M for mango, and every child loves to eat this. Then what is this? This is the mushroom. M for mushroom. So three new words of letter M are monkey, mushroom, and mango. The story of letter N is Nana and her friend were playing in the garden. They suddenly heard a loud noise and they saw an aeroplane. Aeroplane was flying like noom, noom. So the sound of letter N is noom. Activity time, children. So what is this? Yes, you're correct. This is a nut, or you can say peanut, groundnut. So this is a nut. N for nut. Then what is this? Yes, this is a nest where bird lives. So the two new words starting with letter N are nut and nest. The story of letter O is Oliver and Augie have a new bedroom. The light switch of the bedroom was near to the Oliver. Oliver leans over to the switch and turns on and off. On and off. So the sound of letter O is O. O. Yes. Activity time. So what is this, children? Yes, this is an orange. O for orange. And what is this? Oh, this is an octopus. This is a aquatic animal. Lives in water. O for octopus. And what is this? This is an owl. So three new words with letter O are owl, octopus, and orange. The story of letter P is Preeti's mother makes a birthday cake for Preeti and put Trix candle on it. Preeti blows out the candle, but it lights up again. So she puffs out the candle like puff, puff, puff. Yes, so the sound of P is puff, puff, puff. Now, vocabulary time. What is this, children? This is a bird named penguin. P for penguin. And what is this? Yes, this is also an animal. P for pig. Everyone watch Peppa Pig, right? Then what is this? This is a pencil by which we write. And what is this? This is a parrot. So, four new words with letter P. What are these? Parrot, pencil, pig, and penguin. The story of letter Q says, Quella feed ducks in the pond. On seeing Quella, ducks started quacking. Quack, quack, quack. So, the sound of letter Q is quack, quack, quack. Words of letter Q are, here they are. What is this, children? Yes, this is quilt. We use quilt at night, na? Then, what is this? This is question mark. Q for question. And what is this? This is queen. Q for queen. So, new words of letter Q are queen, question mark, and quilt. Here comes the story of letter R. So, Robin's papa got a new car. When he starts the car, this sounds like rrr, rrr, right? So, the sound of letter R is rrr, rrr, rrr. Yes, children. What is this? Which flower is this? This is rose. R for rose. And what is this? This is a rocket. R for rocket. And what is this? Yes, this is the cute rabbit. R for rabbit. So 3 new words of letter R are rose, rabbit and rocket. The story of letter S is, it is a bright sunny morning. Sarah wants to make a sand castle. Suddenly, a snake crawls out of the sand and starts hissing. Yes, so the sound of S is. Yes, children, ready for the new words of letter S? So here comes the itsy bitsy spider. S for spider. Yes. And here comes a cute little star. S for star. And what are these, children? Yes, these are slippers. So the 3 new words are slippers, star and spider. The story of letter T says, Tim and Tom were watching tennis match together. When the match begins, the 2 player hits the ball to each other and sounds like ta ta. So the sound of letter T is ta ta. So this is the new activity for vocabulary. You can give these kinds of flashcards to the child and you can ask them to color the pictures. And you can tell them that yes, this is T for tomato. Or you can give them the cutouts of the pictures like this. And you can ask them to fill the jar with T letter word. Like, what is this, children? Yes, this is T for tap. So, fill this jar with T for tap. And what is this? This is T for tooth over here in this jar. So, the 3 new words with letter T are tomato, tap and tooth. This activity also requires the hand and mind coordination of the child, which will help in development of fine motor skills of our child. So this activity will going to improve the vocabulary, the phonics, letter sound, vocabulary and fine motor skills. The story of letter U says, David got a fever tonight. So his mother gave him the medicine. After drinking the sour medicine, he says, oh, oh. Yes, so the sound of letter U is oh. Yes, now activity time. So our child will going to color this U for umbrella and will going to develop his or her fine motor skills. Now yes, children, what is this? This is the up arrow. So we'll fill this jar with U letter word up arrow. And what is this? This is colorful umbrella. We're going to give in this jar. So the 2 new words of letter U are up arrow and umbrella. The story of letter V says, Vicky and Varun are the best friends. They set out for the outing. Vicky drives the van and Varun plays the violin and the van sounds vroom, vroom. Yes, so the sound of letter V is V, V. Yes, children, now you are going to color this picture. This is a picture of violin. V for violin. This is a musical instrument. Now what is this? This is a vase. V for vase. And what is this? This is V for volcano. So 3 new words of letter V are vase, violin and volcano. Now the story of letter W is, one woman enjoying in the field with her kid. Cold wind was blowing and the cold wind sounds like V, V, V. So the sound of letter W is V. Yay! Now activity time. What is this, children? This is a whale. Yes, water animal. Now you can color this whale. W for whale. And what is this? This is a fruit. Watermelon. W for watermelon. And what is this? W for watch. So the three new words with letter W are whale, watermelon, and watch. The story of letter X is Rax wants to cut his hair. So he goes to the barber's shop. Barber picks up his scissor and starts cutting the hair. The scissor makes the sound kss, kss, kss. Yes, so the sound of letter X is kss, kss, kss. Yes, children, what is this? This is X for Christmas tree. Everyone decorates the Christmas tree on Christmas, no? So you should color it. Then you can also make Christmas tree like this and fill this jar. So the new word with X is Christmas tree, and the other words are X-ray, xylophone. The story of letter Y is Yashi likes to eat yogurt and play with yellow yo-yo. While playing with yo-yo, the sound comes y, y, y. So the sound of letter Y is y, y. Yes, children, what is this? This is yacht, and you can color it. Y for yacht. And what is this? Every child plays with this. This is yo-yo. And this is yacht. And which color flag is this? This is yellow. So the Y words are yo-yo, yacht, and yellow. The story of letter Z says Zubina went to zoo with her family. Suddenly, Zubina heard a big buzzing sound. She looks around and sees big honeybee buzzing around and sounds like zzz, zzz. Yes, so the sound of letter Z is zzz, zzz. Yes, children, which animal is this with the white and black strip? This is zebra. Z for zebra. And what is this? This is zipper. Okay? Z for zipper. And what is this? Z for zero. So the three new words are zebra, zero, and zipper.